kids, welcome to Kit Kat Kids. And now let's learn A, B, C together.
A for apple.
Apple, apple.
B for banana.
B for banana.
C for cow.
C for cow.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
F for ice cream.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K for kite.
K for cat.
L for lollipop.
Lollipop.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
A for orange.
P for panda.
P for panda.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for turtle.
T for turtle.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
B for van.
B for van.
W for watermelon.
Watermelon.
X for X-ray.
Itu leche.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.